Hello, guys. This is topic 2.2, and we are going to talk about graph the rational function. OMG. The first thing you need to know is that the domain is equal to the x and the range is equal to the letter y or variable y. Another really important thing you need to know is the asymptote and what that is. The asymptote is an imaginary line that almost touches but never actually does touch the hyperbole, which is the lines that are created due to the equation. They get really close but never touch it, and also there are horizontal and vertical asymptotes, like you can see in this example here. The blue line is the horizontal one, and the two orange lines are the vertical asymptotes. Now we are going to talk about the x and y intercept. These are where the hyperbole, which is the line created due to the equation, touches the x-axis or the y-axis. Here in the table you can see the orange circle encircles the y-intercept, which is where this blue line here touches the graph in the y-axis, and the green one is the x-intercept, which is where the blue line touches the x-axis. Now we're going to talk about how to get the domain in a rational function. And here we have our equation, which is y equals 1 over x plus 3. What you need to do here is to take the denominator, which is x plus 3, and equalize it to 0. To do that, you need to find the number that will make x plus 3 equals to 0, which in this case is minus 3. Once you have the minus 3, you have the domain. Now, our next mathematical power we need to develop is the ability of how to get the y-intercept from a rational function. Here we have a function that is y equals minus 1 over x minus 4. All we need to do is set x equal to 0. So where do we have the x? In the x minus 4. Now it is 0 minus 4. What happens then? As you have a minus there and a minus down here with the 4, you cancel them both and you get 1/4 as the y-intercept.
Now it's video time!
Oh, good morning! Hello! Today I'm going to teach you how to find the vertical asymptote and the horizontal asymptote. So here is our equation, and the first thing we need to do is factorize. So we cannot factorize this term, but we can factorize this one. So we will get this answer. Wait a minute. Once we have these two terms, two factors, we equalize them to 0, and we get the two vertical asymptotes. And these are the answers, and this is how they will look in the graph. Thank you. To find the horizontal asymptote, there are three kind of equations. First, if the top degree is bigger than the bottom, for example, x plus 1 and as a numerator and x cubic minus 1 as a denominator. In this case, always. When the top is bigger and smaller than the bottom. Volvemos a empezar, Juanita.